Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily Freybler. So today I'm doing my morning routine. I'm just opening the blinds right now and I'll kind of walk you through clips that I didn't talk through because, I mean, it was morning, you know? All right, so I'm just sitting on my floor with my coffee right now, and I'm just gonna talk you through what I usually do on an everyday morning basis, or most mornings. Just so you know, this isn't like every single morning. This is like mostly Monday through Friday if I can get myself out of bed. So let's start. So I usually get up at 6 a.m. That's when our alarm goes off, and I'm not gonna lie, I lay down and go back to sleep for another like 10 to 15 minutes. Caleb likes to sit on his phone in the morning, so it's either between 5, 10, 15 minutes. So I just lay there. And then I get up, get out of bed, and I go in the bathroom and put in my contacts and put my hair up into a ponytail because I get ready to go to the gym. So then I get changed for the gym and go out into the main room and make my coffee, or if the coffee's already made from the day before, because I like iced coffee, so I have like coffee that's left over because I just make a lot. So I pour some stuff into my iced coffee, get my coffee so I have some energy so I don't look so tired in the morning. And then by that time, I believe at least, Luna is getting out of her cage because Caleb always lets her out of the cage after we have, you know, just woken up in the morning. So she comes out, she always greets me and goes bananas like always. And she is just, you know, the cutest little thing in the entire world. So I, you know, get all dressed up, get ready for the gym, and then we head to the gym for our workout. So by that time, it's probably 6:25-ish by the time we head over to the gym. And so I do a workout. I think I did like 45 minutes today. I follow, if you guys are curious, I've been following this for a while now, but I fell off the bandwagon for my fitness routine. So the last, I think, 3 or 4 weeks, Caleb and I have been getting up in the mornings and working out, and it's honestly helped my mental state so much. I used to work out all the time. Just a little background, I was a gymnast growing up, so I did like 4-hour workouts and, you know, all that stuff. So anyway, I've always worked out, played sports and stuff, and the last year or so I've really fallen off my fitness journey, and it's honestly really sad because I'm just not in that great of shape, but I'm getting back there, and so this is why I'm working out in the morning. So when I was in my best shape, I've followed the Crush programs, and I will link them down below because I think they're amazing. I have 3 of them, and I've followed through the original one, which is more like upper body focus, and then I also follow a lot the Booty Bootcamp one, and that's what I'm following right now. If you need to grow a booty, you need to check this out. It's amazing. So anyway, I follow that. So I did one of the days from that program. I just have it on my phone, and I actually listened to a podcast this morning, which was, let me see if I can find it, Become a Pro Blogger. I just started listening to that podcast. Sometimes I listen to music, sometimes I listen to podcasts. So then I come back, and Caleb is usually back before me because he does runs, and then I like to lift weights and stuff, so it's a little bit longer of a workout. And I made some more coffee this morning because there wasn't very much, and I messed it up. Like, seriously, you guys, how do you mess up coffee? But I only had a little bit left in the bag, and I didn't want to like open a new bag and pour it in and everything, so I ended up making it way too weak. So, oh well. I put some almond milk in it. It tastes a little bit better now. I'm mostly a black coffee drinker, but when I have it iced, I like a little almond milk, so I just tried it when it's in it. Yeah, I don't like it that much. I like to spend a little bit of time on Instagram just catching up, since, I mean, social media and YouTube and blogging and stuff is kind of my job. Then I like to catch up on my favorite Instagrammers. I love to watch stories that I didn't get to watch the night before and stuff like that. So I will leave my Instagram favorites on the screen for you guys so that you guys can follow them too, because they are amazing. There's some people that I just love to follow. I really love right now following more kind of like fashion and home blogger people. I'm really into following like bloggers right now, like people who literally have a blog, because I'm aspiring to really get my blog off the ground. So yeah, I really like following them. And then I just kind of sip my coffee until Caleb leaves, and I say bye to him, and then he leaves, and that always makes me sad. No, for real, it's fine. But like, I mean, I wish he could stay with me all day because I just love him. So anyway, now I'm just, you know, doing my thing, and it is 7:48 if you couldn't see that, and it's just Luna and I. This is what Luna does in the morning. She sleeps her little heart out. All right, you guys, it is breakfast time. Just a fact about me, if you guys don't know, I freaking love breakfast. Breakfast food is my favorite. Caleb and I had breakfast for dinner last night because I love breakfast so much. And even in college, I would get up early so I could make myself eggs in the morning, eggs and toast and like a scramble. I just love breakfast. Today I'm having 2 eggs. We have some bacon left over from last night, so I'll probably have like 2 pieces of this. And then I got some toast going in here. And I always, excuse the mess that is this pantry. Everybody's pantry is gross, right? So this stuff, you guys, if you've never heard of this from Trader Joe's, this is the best seasoning I've ever used. If you like avocado toast, if you like eggs, put this on it. It is amazing. Okay, so that took like, what, 5 minutes or something? Like, it was super quick and easy. But now I have bacon, 2 pieces of, or 2 eggs, and some bread that I just sliced and put in the toaster. So yeah, I have some variation of this every single day, usually not bacon because I can't be bothered to make bacon every morning. And then sometimes I have avocados, but there's always 2 eggs and always 2 pieces of toast. That's what I always do. So I just remembered, before I eat, I usually, or like while I'm eating, I usually like to feed Luna. So it's like 8 o'clock right now. I usually feed her around 8 or 8:30. So I'm gonna do that. You ready for your food? Here you go. Eat your food. You're okay. Eat your food. That's a good girl. All right, so breakfast is done. Now it is time to open up the blinds in my bedroom, let in some much needed light, yay, and tackle this bad boy. So I never thought I would be the type of person to make my bed every single day, but since I work from home, it like helps me so much with like a mental state, I guess. Like having a clean space to work in just really makes me not think about anything other than like work. Don't feel bad if you don't make your bed every day, because I certainly didn't when I like didn't work from home. Like in college and stuff, I would like run out the door and not make my bed because, you know, you don't see it. But when you work from home and you live in a 1-bedroom apartment, you see all those little things, you know? Okay, shower is done, so now I just put on my moisturizer. I use this one from Olay, and that's all I do for my skincare in the morning. I just wash my face and then put on some moisturizer. I will have a skincare routine coming like super soon. I think next week maybe, or the week after. I'm waiting because I've been trying out a product and I want to give it 30 days, and you'll see why when you see the video. So I hope you guys are ready for it. I know a lot of people have asked me about my skincare routine since my skin is clearing up a lot. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so next for the mornings, this part kind of depends. So I sometimes film, obviously, throughout the day. And so if I film throughout the day, I don't like to put makeup on in the morning because then I'm just gonna have to take it off and film later on. Sometimes I film in the morning, sometimes I film later in the day. It kind of depends where my like creativity and inspiration sparks for filming videos. Sometimes I just don't feel like it in the morning, so I'll do other computer work and stuff with a bare face. But today, I don't think I'm gonna be filming because I'm going to be editing this video to get out tomorrow and doing some blog stuff and stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna put on makeup right now, and I'll just kind of do like a really light makeup. That's what I like to do on an everyday basis. So I'll probably do a little time lapse for you guys so you guys can see kind of what I do to get ready. And then like I'm all ready for the day, and then I feel a lot more productive when I feel good about myself. Alright, so I just touched up my curls, finished up my makeup, and so I'm ready for the day now. I always like curl my hair one day, or wash it and curl it and do everything, and then the rest of the days I just kind of touch it up, or I put my hair up or something. But for the first couple of days that I'm not washing it, I usually like to touch up my curls. I've just been loving wearing my hair down lately, and I feel like it's grown so much. If you guys followed my channel, I had chopped hair, like it was about right here. When did I chop it off? Last summer, and then I kept it like that for a good couple months, like through September, and later I like still had it short, and then it's grown a decent amount, I feel like, since then. So I'm just trying to keep growing it out. I want really long hair again. Alright, you guys, so I'm just going to end the video here. It is about 10:10 right now. I'm going to start doing more computer work, editing, blog posts, all that kind of stuff, behind the scenes stuff. So that's basically my morning. I hope you guys like this. I've had multiple requests to see what I do in the mornings, my morning routine, so I hope it was interesting for you guys. I know people like to see, you know, kind of other people's routines. I just find that when I get up early and I get stuff done in the morning, I'm a lot more productive throughout the day. Exercising honestly gives me so much more gives me so much more energy and clarity throughout the day. Like, I'm the type of person, if I sleep too much and stuff like that, I can feel a lot of like brain fog. Trust me, I need like, you know, at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night. But if I get more than that and I sleep too much throughout the day, I feel groggy and I just don't feel as accomplished and good about myself. And that's something that's really helped me get out of a funk. I felt like for a while there I was really in a funk. If you guys want to see kind of a video about how I've been getting myself out of a funk, getting in a better mental clarity state, then please let me know down below. I'd really like to make a video about that. But this is what I do to really start my day out well and be productive throughout the day. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Remember, I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern time. So I will see you guys in Friday's video. Bye, guys.